Hey everyone, I get asked a lot about how often you need to sharpen your knife, or when you know that your knife needs a sharpen. It's not so much a time thing, but more so how the knife performs. And there's a few things that I notice when I'm cutting veggies that indicate when it's time for a sharpen. So the first thing is when you're cutting a pepper, the knife should bite into it. There should be no skating across. It should just bite right in and able to slice. The next thing is when you're cutting tomatoes. It should be a nice, smooth, clean slice. And when you look at it, there should be no tearing at all. Herbs, same thing. If your knife is dull, it will end up tearing the fiber and causing oxidation and browning. What you want to see is very nice and smooth edges. If you have that, the final gold standard for a sharp knife is to be able to cleanly slice through newspaper paper. So as you can see, this does not. It tears it. So that to me means that in the next week or so, it's time to sharpen this knife. I know it's still sharp enough to do veggies, but it's getting on the borderline where I'm not going to be getting as clean cuts. Thanks.